Hi guys. So obviously if we were together, we would be working on a little something special for this weekend. This weekend is, I hope you remember, Mother's Day? I have no idea what Mother's Day is going to look like in this house. Hopefully you spend some time taking care of Mom. She's been taking care of you. So I have an idea, something that Ben did for me years ago. Obviously, he's in high school now. He's a big kid, but I've still saved it. I have it with me on my desk. And I'm going to give you an idea, just something really little that you and dad or an older brother or sister could do for mom. Okay. Those of you who have an older brother or sister, it's perfect because you guys could kind of make it a joint gift. Okay. So what Ben's teacher did, now Ben did this in 5th grade, but you don't have to be an older kid to do it. You'd have to be an older kid to do all the parts of it by yourself, I would think. And there's some aspect of this that if you actually did it with mom would be really sweet. Okay. So Ben's teacher, my son has never been artistic. That's supposed to say mom rules. Happy face? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that was supposed to be. Oh, and mom rules. I didn't see the little happy face. So obviously I'm not asking you guys to have a jar, but you could use anything at home. I went downstairs and I picked up just like an old box. You could cover it if you have paper, if you have glue, if you have tape, whatever you're allowed to use at home, or whatever mom and dad are cool with you guys using. You could make a little box and turn it into something a little prettier. Maybe if your mom is like me, she keeps a million things laying around, and maybe you have a little craft bag laying around. Maybe you have a bag that's from a store and is small like that, not like, the supermarket plastic bags. A little bag like that with a little bit of structure to it that you could decorate, that you could cover with paper and decorate. Think about things and ways you guys can do that. You too, Dad. Help them out. Okay. So, what's really important is what you put inside it. So you want to try to find some little pieces of paper or a big piece of paper and cut it into 4 pieces. And then this is the part that someone can help you with. Okay? On each piece of paper, write a little message for mom. So this one, magical, optimistic, majesty. MOM. Okay. I'm just going to go through a couple of the things that Ben wrote. Now he's in 5th grade. So obviously he's writing them all by himself. But you might not be writing them all by yourself. You might tell someone else what to write. You might use your invented spelling and show mom what you're like so that when mom looks back at this, because this was about 5 years ago that Ben did this for me, and I still have it. I keep it on my bedside, and every now and again when he drives me absolutely nuts and he makes me mad, so almost every day I like to take it out and kind of look back at just those little things about him. Those things like he had a nickname when he was little, or probably around that age. For some reason, I don't even remember where it started, but we used to call him Rick Donalds. I think he said something and he called McDonald's the wrong name. And we're like, what are you, Rick Donalds? And he wrote on this one, I'll always be your Rick Donalds. And then he wrote on some, I wish we could hang out more. Without you, I wouldn't exist. Literally and figuratively. I don't expect kindergartners to use those words. But start to think about things you could say about mom that are great about her. Even just, you're awesome. And yes, in 5th grade he used the wrong your. Yes. But he's in AP English now, so okay. Hey, he made it. I wish we could play more. Me plus you equals a heart. You guys could definitely write that one. You could write I like you. I mean, I know the real thing is you love her, but you could sound out I love you. I love playing Legends with you. Something you like doing with them. So, okay, I read you a bunch of the samples. So it's really easy if you think about it. Take those pieces of paper and either have an older sister or brother, have a dad, have an uncle, have somebody help you if you want help writing the sentences. But really, part of the memory for mom, part of the thing that makes it special is looking at their ridiculous handwriting when they're so much older. So when you guys are in 5th grade and mom looks back at these, it's going to be so much cuter when it's your writing. Not, oh, this is the one dad wrote for them. Okay, dad can help you sound it out, your brother and sister. Now listen, if you have a brother or sister in 5th grade, you can make it a together project where some of the things are written by them and some are written by you. And then mom has this great little memory box of a hard time. Maybe not the best Mother's Day, maybe the Mother's Day that you know you're not getting to go out for lunch, but it's the Mother's Day that her kids sat down together and made a group project. And I would love it if my two were working on something like that right now, but I have teenagers and I don't think that's happening. I think I'll be lucky to get a card. That's another thing. Take a piece of paper, fold it in half, and give mommy a nice card. Just take care of mommy on Sunday. Make her feel special. Okay? We can't go out to the store and buy fancy stuff, and that's okay. We don't need that. We just want to be taken care of and kind of get a day off, and a day where somebody says, thanks, Mom. You did a great job. So whether you have a little box at home or a little bag, you probably have paper at home. If you can cover a box, you don't want to give her this box like this. If you can cover it, if you can put some paper, wrap some white paper around it, tape the paper, glue the paper down, decorate the paper, then glue it down so you don't have to try to write on top of wet, gluey mess. If you have paint, if you have anything to make it a little jazzy, a little special for mom. But what's really going to get her, and she'll remember and will be special for her, are the little messages you can write. Tell her what you like about her, what you love about her, the great things she does, your favorite things she makes for you, your favorite meal. You like how she wakes you up in the morning. You love your bedtime story. You like playing a game. Those are the things mom wants to remember in 5 years, in 10 years. When you guys are big and too cool for her, those are the things that mom's going to look back at and really warm her heart. So, good luck. And I'd love to see pictures or anything else. I'm going to start putting up a sign-up sheet so that we can get a Google Meet going next week and I can see your writing. Okay, guys? Happy Mother's Day, moms, and I hope they treat you well this weekend. Bye, guys.